Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our latest completed build. This one is located in East Meadow, New York. It is a 3,600 square foot, 5-bed, 3-bath colonial. Let me walk you through and show you what's going on. Before I walk you guys through the rest of the house, I want to explain how we got to this point. Our inspections are done. The bank did their final walkthrough last week, and we're working on scheduling a closing date. But as I mentioned in the previous episode, we got this buyer in the door during a very early part of the finishing work. So we had put the sod down and we're working on our interior details when this buyer came in and was able to pick those last details. So we made a deal, we got it to contract, and she was able to have this sort of custom experience despite jumping in way later in the process. So she was able to pick this countertop, the backsplash. We had already placed our kitchen cabinet order, so we had to switch some things around. That set us back a couple weeks, but she wanted to add that wall oven and configure a wine cooler in the island. So there was some added details, but it worked out well for both of us. And the house is stunning, and I can't wait to show you guys the rest of what's going on. I want to walk you guys through the house quickly and show you what we have going on. This is our 2-story entry. I have the dining room behind me, and through this hallway here we have a huge formal living room with beautiful Cumberland Select oak floors. Open concept living, nice big family room, gas Regency fireplace, lots of natural light, sliders to the backyard with a patio for entertaining, and a huge kitchen. We went with quartz countertops, Fabuwood solid wood cabinets, porcelain floors for the kitchen, and those floors continue throughout the kitchen and into the mudroom. I have a beautiful mudroom with a built-in an entrance to the garage here. Over here we have a small guest bedroom. Could also be used as an office. And then this is my favorite part of the house. We have this beautiful bathroom with cement tile for the floor, walk-in shower, the bench which the customer specifically requested, and a beautiful vanity, light gray paint, just a really nice, trendy, clean bathroom that'll also stand the test of time. Now, if you will, follow me on upstairs where we have 4 additional bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. All the bedrooms are a generous size. And for all the TV locations throughout the house, we always run Cat 6 to the top, coax on the bottom, and electric top and bottom, so you have some options. We have another bedroom over here. And another beautiful bathroom. This one my wife and I picked. We went for a beachy theme. I got the ocean color glass tile in the shower, double vanity, wood look floor tile, and some wainscoting on the walls. Another bedroom right here after the bathroom. Also a generous size. Laundry room on the 2nd floor. And a massive master bedroom. This will be the bed wall. Entertainment will be on that wall right there. You have a dressing area here where our buyer is going to be building some custom shelving, and she wants her bags and her shoes on display, so that'll be interesting. We have 2 walk-in closets, one on this side, one on this side, and a stunning master bath. Soaking tub, huge walk-in shower with a bench and custom marble soap niche, and a double vanity with a Carrera top. Just when you thought we were done, we have a beautiful finished basement, porcelain tile throughout, and just entertaining space and play space for the kids for days. A few extra closets, utility room, and an entrance to the backyard. Part of the experience when you buy a house from me is you get the total package. Inside and out, I deliver a clean product from corner to corner. I don't know if you guys notice inside, but that house is immaculate. Just bring your toothbrush and start living. I carry that same philosophy outside, where I like to give people a living space right off the bat. You have a patio, sprinklers, sod, nice and clean, graded, ready to start enjoying.